Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best lawn repair formula is probably one of the most effective solutions available for homeowners looking to revitalize their struggling lawns, offering a comprehensive approach to tackle common issues like bare patches, thinning grass, and discoloration. This innovative product is designed to not only promote rapid grass growth but also to enhance the overall health and resilience of your turf, ensuring a lush, green carpet that will be the envy of your neighborhood. If you're tired of dealing with a patchy, unhealthy lawn and are seeking a reliable way to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort, then this formula might just be the game-changer you've been searching for. Number 5. Simple Lawn Solution 16-4-8 Liquid Fertilizer. Achieve a perfectly balanced lawn with our 16-4-8 NPK formula. It's the ideal blend of essential macronutrients, enriched with the natural goodness of seaweed and fish. Nourish your turf with premium, feed-grade liquid nutrients. Our ready-to-use sprayer makes application simple and effective for a healthier lawn. Experience effortless application with our complete formula. It promotes vibrant greening and robust growth, ensuring a dense and attractive lawn. Whether you have Bermuda, fescue, or any other grass type, our product is designed to work effectively. It provides the essential nutrients for all common varieties. Proudly manufactured in the United States by a family-owned business. We bring over 25 years of professional turf industry experience to your lawn. With 16% nitrogen, it boosts chlorophyll production for that deep green color. This encourages vigorous growth, leading to a dense and appealing lawn. The 4% phosphorus content is crucial for developing strong roots. It also enhances vigorous plant development, especially in the early stages of growth. What we like. This formula provides a complete NPK blend with added seaweed and fish for superior lawn nourishment. If you are looking for an all-around fertilizer that promotes both greening and growth, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a simple, ready-to-use solution for any grass type. What people say. The grass has greened up and it seems that the bare spots are starting to shrink. Visible results were by end of next day. Worked great for a quick green up of your lawn without worrying about burning it. My yard came in greener and fuller after using, seemingly healthier than before. Number 4. Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer Fertilizer. Want a lawn that truly pops with color? Our liquid fertilizer is designed to give your grass a deeper, richer green. It's perfect for any type of lawn you have. This powerful booster delivers the vital nutrients your lawn craves, especially iron and nitrogen. Watch as it enhances and deepens the vibrant green of your turf. Forget complicated spreading. Our ready-to-use spray attaches directly to your hose, making application a breeze. It covers up to 3,200 square feet with ease. With 6% nitrogen, it actively encourages robust growth, leading to a beautifully dense and attractive lawn. It's the key to a fuller, healthier yard. Already have a fertilizer routine? This liquid energizer works perfectly alongside your current program. It acts as a fantastic supplement for quick nutrient absorption. The 5% iron content is specifically chosen to intensify your lawn's green hue. Get ready for a visibly more vibrant and appealing landscape. What we like. This lawn energizer is specifically designed to deepen the green of your turf with its iron-rich formula. If your lawn is looking a bit pale and you want a quick, vibrant boost, this is the product for you. It's ideal as a supplement to your current fertilizer routine for that extra pop of color. What people say. Overnight amazing results. The grass had greened up overnight. Amazing. The lawn looks so healthy, a beautiful dark green. My Bermuda grass responded quickly to this formula. Within about a week, the lawn looked greener and healthier. The spray bottle is easy to attach to the hose, and application took less than 10 minutes. My lawn looks healthy and deep green. Number 3. Scott's Easy Seed Dog Spot Repair Sun and Shade. Tired of unsightly pet spots ruining your lawn? Our special formula neutralizes salts from dog urine, effectively repairing damage from both urine and digging. Get your lawn looking great again. This innovative blend includes high-performance grass seed, a unique mulch that surrounds each seed, and a soil amendment specifically designed to combat damage from dog urine. It's the complete solution for lawn repair. We guarantee it will grow anywhere with proper care. It's perfect for those common problem areas like urine spots, high traffic zones, and damage caused by digging. Enjoy a healthier lawn. For the best results, apply when daytime temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the grass seed germinates effectively, leading to a lush, green lawn. One container is all you need to repair up to 100 dog spots. This convenient solution offers great coverage, making lawn maintenance easier than ever. What we like. This product is engineered with a special salt-neutralizing formula to specifically combat the damage caused by pet urine. If you have dogs and are tired of unsightly yellow spots in your lawn, this is your go-to solution. It's perfect for repairing those high-traffic areas and digging damage caused by your furry friends. What people say. The grass was slow growing but did start within a couple weeks. It took a while to work, but in a few months my grass was back and better than ever. Within 2 weeks we had a lot of grass growing in those areas. Number 2. TireJect Lawn Mower Tire Sealant Kit. Introducing the TireJect Lawn Mower Tire Sealant Kit, your ultimate solution for flat tire emergencies. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle common tire issues with ease. It offers a 5-in-1 function, providing repair and protection against punctures, slow bead leaks, and minor dry rot. Say goodbye to frustrating flat tires caused by nails, thorns, screws, and even antlers. This versatile sealant is suitable for most lawn mowers, accommodating rear tires up to 24 by 12 and front tires up to 16 by 7. Ensure your equipment is always ready to go. The kit includes everything you need: 30 ounces of TireJect sealant, a sealant injector, a valve core removal tool, and valve stem caps. Installation is simple with the included injector tool. Pre-install it in all 4 tires for flat prevention for up to 24 months. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your tires are protected against common damages. It provides full tire protection and a permanent seal for tread and sidewall punctures, bead leaks, slow leaks, and dry rot. This ensures extended tire life and reliable performance. Proudly made in the USA, it's engineered with a powerful blend of liquid rubber, recycled tire particles, and high-strength aramid fibers. This advanced formula effectively seals punctures up to 3/8" and minor dry rot. What we like. This kit offers a 5-in-1 solution for flat tire repair and protection, using a unique liquid rubber and fiber blend. If you're constantly worried about punctures, slow leaks, or even minor dry rot on your lawn mower tires, this provides long-lasting peace of mind. It's ideal for anyone looking for an easy-to-install, preventative measure against flats. What people say. The TireJect has repaired my dry rotted tire and I believe it is going to last for a long time to come. This stuff works really well. I put it in 2 ATV tires and a lawnmower tire and it sealed them fast and are still holding air 2 months later. I used it on the mower a couple of years ago and still no air leaks. Number 1. Safer Brand Lawn Restore 9335 SR Natural Fertilizer. Strengthen your lawn's root system for a thicker, more vibrant turf. This natural fertilizer revitalizes your grass from the ground up. See a noticeable difference in just 3 to 5 days. Your lawn will start to green up quickly after application. Our unique formula promotes soil vitality without burning your lawn. It nourishes the soil, leading to a healthier, thicker lawn. Help your lawn thrive year-round. It's designed to help your grass withstand stresses from heat, cold, and drought. Enjoy your lawn immediately after application. Our naturally derived formula is safe for kids and pets to play on right away. One bag covers a large area, up to 5,000 square feet. Get complete lawn coverage with this effective fertilizer. What we like. This natural lawn fertilizer boasts a non-burning formula that revitalizes your lawn by strengthening root systems and promoting soil vitality. If you're concerned about burning your grass or need a safe option for kids and pets to play on immediately after application, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for those seeking healthy, thick turf with rapid greening. What people say. Within days it was like a miracle. All of the yellow spots from what may have been fertilizer burn from the previous owners is green. There are some spots that I am receding, but for this product I am amazed all the brown is gone and it's so green within less than a week. I am happy to put something on the lawn that is pet and environmentally friendly. This stuff is great and organic. It has corn gluten which stops weeds, but will also stop seeds from germinating. So wait a couple weeks to seed or wait until after your seeds have germinated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.